Hi guys, in this video you are going to learn how to install WordPress locally tutorial beginner's guide. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to build an online brand, so please consider subscribing. And we are going to install WordPress in 2 simple steps. So let's begin. So all you have to do is go on Google, type bitnami WordPress. Once you're over here, just click on WordPress cloud hosting, click over here. Once you're over here, all you have to do is click on my computer, Windows. Once you're over here, then you just have to download for Windows 64-bit. If you're having an OS, which is the Mac computer, you can download this, or if you have Linux, you can download this. I have Windows. Just click on this and automatically this would get downloaded. It's gonna be 2 simple steps: downloading Bitnami and second is installing WordPress. It's very easy. So once it's downloaded and then installed, all you have to do is click on next, next, next. Put in your username, your email address, and this is your login. So remember your login. So it's going to be admin, admin, admin for me, because this is a test on your computer. This is a website on your computer, so only you will be able to access it. So I'm going to do admin 123, admin 123, click next. This is my blog name, click next and just click next, next, next. Okay, and that's it guys. So now all I have to do is, now it's installing, wait for it to install. Once it's installed, so once this is installed, all you have to do is allow access, wait for it. So once it's installed, you just have to click on finish and then you can just log into your WordPress. It's very simple and easy. This is your WordPress website. So it's very easy guys. And then if you want to log into your admin, it's WPADMIN. Then you can type admin and admin 123. So this is on your computer and then you can play around with it. You could edit it, you could do whatever you want. And then once you feel you're really comfortable with WordPress, then guys, guess what, I have a free course for you. I have a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch, step-by-step instructions, and how you can create a professional website. The link is down below. And thanks for watching, and if you find this valuable, please click the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.